It's a freezing morning, you're already late for work, and your car responds with a pathetic click-click instead of starting. Before you call for help, try this emergency hack. Turn on your high beam headlights for 30-60 seconds, then turn them off and try starting again. This counterintuitive trick can often provide the boost your battery needs to turn over on cold mornings. The electrical draw from the headlights creates heat in the battery, temporarily improving its chemical reactivity. This technique can save you $75 to $150 on an emergency jump service call and get you moving without waiting for roadside assistance. It's especially effective when temperatures drop below 20 degrees, when battery efficiency can decrease by up to 50%. For an even stronger effect, try turning on your interior lights, radio, and rear defrost simultaneously for 30 seconds before attempting to start. Next time your car won't start, remember, sometimes you need to drain a little power to get a lot more in return.